Hi there, it's Imran from Car Sounds here in East London. Customers reporting multiple attempts to steal part bits in the rear cabin. So basically it's all armed up. It works off basically a tag, which is just in my hand there. So all you need to do is have the tag with you when you're going to the vehicle. So it's also connected to your phone just here. So you've got multiple things. So you can see the dome that's covering basically means the vehicle's protected. You've got a tracker on there as well. There's multiple sensors built into the actual alarm system itself. So you've got tilt, shock and motion. Tilt if they lift it to take something out of the vehicle, or take rims or catalytic theft or anything like that. You've got shock if there's a real heavy shock. And you've also got motion, so if they lift it on a low loader. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get Richard to just open the door. He's basically got the keys with him, so imagine someone's cloned the keys. Go for it, Richard. So the alarm's going off now, illegal entry, and basically you're going to get a phone call shortly. There's a phone call coming through. Okay, so if I answer that, you may be able to hear. Okay, so Richard, just try to start the car as well. Van. So the van won't even start as well, as the tag's not closed on. So I'll walk up to the vehicle now, and you'll hear it disarmed like it has just done now. So now if you try to start the vehicle, Richard, the vehicle will start because it detects the tag. So really excellent, really good piece of kit. We're doing a hell of a lot of these on all types of vehicles, vans, cars, all kinds of stuff. So if you're interested in getting something like this done, get in contact with us on the details after the video. Thanks for watching.